first?
I guess I'll go first.
Alright, fine. Setting life points. $8,000. Good.
Alright.
Did you draw?
Yes. Here. Okay. First, we play Reinforcement to the Army.
Okay.
Add a level 4 or lower warrior type monster from my deck to my hand.
Okay.
Where is it? There it is. Finish it real quick. Now I'm going to summon my Marauding Captain.
Okay.
And due to his effect, when he is normal summon, I can special summon a level 4 or lower warrior type monster from my hand. Oh no, not warrior type monster, just a level 4 or lower monster.
Okay.
So I summon my Gambara Knight.
Alright.
XI overlay.
Nope. Level 4 and 3.
Oh yeah, you're right. I guess you're right. Alright. Sets 3 cards face down, and I will end my turn.
Fair enough. Draw. Face down. Thunder King. And
Draw. Alright. Summon Spirit of the Harp.
okay.
Overlay.
Okay.
To play.
Overlay stays in the
Or
field.
to overlay. Oh, yeah, that's right. Overlay to summon number 39 Utopia.
Okay.
Activate Regeki Break.
Okay.
Destroy your face down.
It's not a face down.
No, you're.
Thunder
It's not.
King.
It's not monster. The trap.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Trap iron.
Destroy Thunder King Ryu with Marauding Captain. How many attack points?
1900.
Oh, never mind then. Utopia.
Why?
Utopia is 2,500.
Yeah, Utopia wins.
I know. So how much is 2,500 minus 1,900?
Yeah.
So,
It's basically 25 minutes, I think.
Okay.
Uh, 600.
Right.
Yeah?
No, I attack directly with Marauding Captain.
I hate you.
1,200 attack points.
Alright. Okay.
End my turn.
Drop. Reincarnation.
Cool.
Discard Bat. Add Thunder King to my hand. Wind up Knight. End.
Draw. They Call of the Haunted.
Okay.
Summon Feedback Warrior.
Alright.
Overlay Feedback Warrior Marauding Captain. Summon number 17 Leviathan Dragon.
Okay.
Detach one Xyz material from Leviathan Dragon.
Gains 500.
500. Destroy Wind Up Knight with Leviathan Dragon.
Effect. Negate it once.
Destroy him with Utopia.
Okay.
Next, I summon Goblinberg and end my turn.
700. Okay. Draw. Alright, set monster. And, end.
Draw. Summon giant rat. Attack mode.
Okay.
Let's see. Alright. Can't do that. Attack your face down with Goblinberg.
Okay, effect. Special summon wind up for my deck.
Okay.
Let's go for warrior.
Attack with number...
Buddy.
Attack with number 17, Leviathan Dragon.
Alright. I don't take damage.
Attack with number 39, Utopia. For
Alright.
1,500. And attack with Giant Rat. 1,400.
Fair enough.
End my turn.
Draw. Warrior returning live. Add wind up warrior to my hand. Okay. Warrior. Effect. Gain 600 at 1,000 or 1,800. Attack giant rat.
Based on his effect, I can special summon one earth monster with 1,500 or less attack from my deck and face-up attack.
Okay. Warrior defense. End.
Summon my Field Commander Raz. Based on his effect, when he's normal or special summoned, I can add one, or I can take one warrior type monster, level 4 or lower, and put it on the top of my deck. Now I overlay Goblinberg and Field Commander Raz.
Okay.
Summon Heroic Champion Excalibur.
Okay.
Destroy Wind Up Warrior with Utopia.
Okay.
Activate Heroic Champion Excalibur
So
effect.
that's at 4,000 by detaching both Xyz materials.
Yes. Attack directly with 39 and Heroic Champion.
And that's game.